Today is Friday and I'm gonna do like a weekend vlog, and I don't know why I just consider Friday part of the weekend even though it's not. But for the sake of this vlog, I'll be vlogging from Friday to Sunday, so like a little weekend in my life starting Friday. So today's Friday, about to head to the gym. I think it just rained last night, so the smell of petrichor is so potent and I love it. It smells so good, like nature. Oh, it smells so good today. Yay! I wanted to go skateboarding. I swear I should probably wear like ankle braces so I don't sprain it again. But oh my gosh! Thank you, Auntie Ashley. I'll try not to break any more bones. I am about to head out, but I have this giant pile of clothes. Basically a giant mess that I need to organize, but I really don't want to do that right now. So since I just got 2 boxes from my aunt, which she delivered from Montreal, since I like moved there over the summer and then moved back, and it was a long process, but basically I still left a bunch of things in Montreal. So she was helping me like shift stuff back. And then now I just have so much clothes to kind of organize and clean. So I'm gonna try and do that before I leave and head out to the gun range, which is so random, but I'm gonna go to the gun range with my friend John. Should be a good time. All this needs to be hung. All this needs to be hung. I need more hangers. All this needs to be hung. John, where are we?
I'm gonna go shoot some guns.
I'm gonna shoot some guns. So we just made it to 𝕄𝕆Ⅎ𝔼. And the last time I actually shot guns was back in August. But John, you know John, we play like volleyball together. He has his gun license. So, and he actually owns guns. Yeah. So we're gonna just shoot the shit, so they say. Is that what guys say? Shotgun. Oh my gosh. I'm actually so nervous for the shotgun. We have the whole place to ourselves. So we just went to get takeout, and then now we're in Queen Elizabeth Park, and we got some, it's like this Vietnamese place that's all vegetarian, which is really nice. So I'm excited to eat these vegetables. But yeah, we like just missed the sunset, but yeah, Queen Elizabeth is really nice, so we're just gonna have some dinner. You excited for vegetables? No. John doesn't like vegetables. Today is Saturday, and it turned out to be a really nice morning, so I might try and read on my balcony just because the sun is shining and it looks really pretty. So good start to Saturday.你可以告诉我你的心有时候起飞对
Domingue.
I get 对很丑的城市很远对丑的城市远 Dis-moi ton cœur parfois s'envole-t-il Agathe loin du noir loin du noir océan dit le monde cité. Merci pour les françaises.
Ça me fait plaisir. À plus tard.
À plus tard. Bonne journée.
Ciao. Toi aussi.
I just got off the Burrard Bridge over there and I was like riding my skateboard because I'm trying to see if I can actually use it just so it's like faster, even though I really should not be on my skateboard, but I didn't know how to stop and I'm a little scared because I honestly don't know how to stop if you're going like really fast. So I kind of just like swerved into the grass and fell right on my butt. So that's kind of how I stopped, but yeah. So I just did like a complete wipeout in front of everybody, but we're good. At least I didn't break anything or sprain anything, so. I love this park. I love it because usually around May, there's always like these really nice dandelions. Oh my god, I blanked. I was gonna say daisies. Dandelions, daisies, flowers that bloom, and it makes it like, it's just really nice. Yeah. See ya! So, this is Sean.
Hello.
We're like 2-week-old friends.
Yeah.
We like just met. Yeah.
2.5.
2.5-week-old friends. And basically he went to high school with Sina. So they know each other for a long time. And you guys know Arash, I think. It's been a while. But yeah, we're out on Kids Beach playing Spikeball. Yeah.
Back up the camera.
Yeah.
I almost thought I forgot to vlog because for some reason I thought it was later in the day, but it's literally only 9:40 in the morning. I was like, oh my god, I haven't vlogged yet. But basically I'm just doing a lot of work today and I'm trying to get a lot of lectures done, or like a lot of studying done, before I have my film festival technically for school, which is like honestly a long story because of COVID. Like a lot of things kind of got messed up, and so technically every year we graduate obviously and then have a film festival for all our films that we've made throughout the year. So this is kind of like our online film festival, which is happening today. So I'm gonna do that, go to that, and yeah, pretty much like a big work day Sunday. Oh my gosh, I haven't danced in a really long time and I'm actually so out of breath. Oh my gosh, that was really nice. I tried to practice some ballet and this like choreographed dance that I'm trying to learn, but yeah, that's my cardio for today. Jedi, let me in. No. Dun dun dun. Hi. So Jenny got a new dog.
This is Rosie. She's a little frightened, but she'll warm up to you.
He's so cute.
Say hi, Rosie.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
How long are you fostering her for?
I'm not sure. It's been like a week.
Okay.
I'm hoping to get like another week, but someone applied to adopt her.
Oh.
Yeah, and they live
snazzy.
super close. But yeah, she's a little frightened of everything.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, she said hi.
Oh, she said hi.
Yeah,
She said.
She said she thinks you're cute.
No, stop. We're still going.
It's a hot day, and I made hot soup.
Hot
You're a hot girl.
Oh, yum. Wonton.
Didn't have any veggies, but it'd be better with some greens.
I'll take anything. Mama made me dinner.